Imran Farhat, the former opener of the Pakistan cricket team, has predicted the winner of the ICC Cricket World Cup 2023 scheduled in India, at the end of this year. The 41-year-old, Imran Farhat opined that bowling will be crucial during this big tournament, and the former Test cricketer also said that Pakistan have better spinners than India. Imran Farhat, speaking on YouTube channel, said that, "I think Pakistan will win this match between India and Pakistan, because we have a better ODI team than India." He said that, "Bowling will be important in this match, which will play a central role. We have good spinners and fast bowlers, we also have good batsmen who know the basics of batting. On the other hand, Indian players are playing lots of 2020 cricket, so they have that experience." The former left-hander also opened up about his friendship with Indian middle-order batsman, Yuvraj Singh, and revealed that he was also very close to Yuvraj's father. Imran Farhat said that, "I had a very good friendship with Yuvraj Singh, but I had an even better relationship with his father. Yuvraj's father had a petrol pump and a restaurant in Chandigarh. We visited there during our visits. He used to sit and talk with them about culture and traditions." It should be noted that Imran Farhat played 40 tests, 58 one-day internationals, and 70 T20 international matches. While representing Pakistan, he scored 4,195 runs in all formats with 4 centuries, and 27 50s in his career. It should be noted that the biggest match of the Cricket World Cup will be played between India and Pakistan on October 15th, if not rescheduled, at the Narendra Modi Stadium. The World Cup starts from October 5th in India and will continue till November 19th.